price lists establish pricing schemas for inventory items. These codes are linked with items and subsequently customers to determine item pricing. Choices entered here become the defaults when establishing specific prices for specific items. Creating multiple price list codes is usually associated with different customer types. For example, let's look at the retail price list. For each price list code, an item price can be based on quantity or weight. A price can track up to 6 decimal places. The selling price for items linked to this price list can be determined by a discount off the base price or various markup factors from the stored cost value of the item. Then determine any discounts by percentage or flat amount. And then determine the price of all that based on the customer's discount type, identified with the customer in accounts receivable, types A through E, or by volume discounts, referring to the quantities customers purchase at one time. Depending on the selections above, either enter a customer A through E discount percentage or the quantity purchased discount levels. The Price Check tab determines how order entry is to respond when a price is entered that is above or below a set value. None indicates that a price range is not going to be established and that anyone can enter any price for any item using this price list. Warning indicates that a warning will display when a price is outside the minimum maximum values, but the price can still be accepted. Error indicates that an error message will display when a price is outside the minimum maximum values, and the system will not accept the price. And approval indicates that a message will display when the price is outside the minimum maximum values, except the price can be approved by someone who has the appropriate security rights to accept the price. If warning, error, or approval is selected, then determine how the system is to perform the check. The price check can be performed based on the unit price or sales margin. If unit price is selected, then check the base price using a cost plus percentage, cost plus a fixed amount, or just a fixed amount. If either cost plus percent or amount is selected, select which cost value to use as the base. Then indicate the from to range. The default user indicates everyone. Different users can maintain different minimum maximum ranges by entering their user ID here. The settings defined for a price check become the defaults when this price list code is assigned to an item. However, changes can be made on an item-by-item basis. The taxes page is used to identify those tax authorities that have the tax amount included in the price of the item. As will be seen later, items are assigned to a price list code. When they are, you instruct the system as to what base price to use. For example, you might want item X to be $5 when linked to the retail price list. If you identify a tax authority on the price list taxes page here, you are saying that the tax amount is factored within the $5 price and will need to be backed out of the price when a taxable customer purchases it. Therefore, tax authorities only need to be listed on this page if tax is factored into the price of the items that are assigned this price list code. For most items, the tax on an item is calculated from the price of the item and not backed out of the price. However, there are exceptions. Items such as cigarettes and petroleum products include taxes.
Let's take a look at units of measure.